Hey guys, so this is Prime. I'm doing another video today about Windows 10, which is coming out this fall, I believe. So this is the evaluation copy that my boss gave me to test out and get ready. So when I go to people's houses, I know how to use it and everything like that. It has some pretty cool features. You can tell that it has like Windows 7 mixed with Windows 8. So let's just start playing around with it. So let's look at the start menu. If you click right here, you see how it has this feature here that Windows 8 had, the tile screen that everyone hated. So it kind of embedded it within the start menu. So you have your basic apps right here. You have mail, calendar, photos. Um, this new Project Spartan is basically the new Internet Explorer. So they're getting rid of Internet Explorer totally, and now they have Project Spartan. Also, they have the music, video, Xbox, all the same apps that they had before. Over here on the side, as you can see, they have Documents, Settings, File Explorer. Let's click on File Explorer real quick. As you can see here, it has the same kind of GUI look how it had in Windows 7 and kind of Windows 8 too. I really don't have anything saved on here, but I'm just giving you a little preview of how this is going to look, which looks pretty fancy. Let's open up Project Spartan, which is right here at the bottom. So this kind of reminds me of Google Chrome. Yeah, it looks like they copied a lot of features from Google Chrome onto this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you see the three dots right here, that's kind of a feature that Google Chrome has in Firefox. If you go to settings, this looks like a watered down version of Google Chrome and Firefox. But hey, at least they're improving Internet Explorer, because Internet Explorer was pretty bad. Nothing will work with Internet Explorer. The thing that I don't like is that how they have Bing embedded into this Internet Explorer. We should be able to change our search engine and everything. No one really wants to use Bing for everything, but hey, it is their browser, so basically they're going to have to use it as well. But you can change like your home page, like if custom, like if I want to change it to Google, you can change your home page and everything. They have favorite icons up here, so like you can add things to your favorite bar. Your downloads goes here. What else do they have? They have this, which is pretty unique. This right here is basically if I want to make marks about a certain page or color, you'll do it right here, which is pretty cool. Let me see. If we hover over it, it's called Make a Web Note. So basically, you're making a note of like the websites that you're going to, which is pretty cool. This is just feedbacks. I guess that's with the evaluation to see how we like the browser. But the browser is pretty basic. Like if I go to YouTube, it's pretty everything. The feature, at least it looks better than Internet Explorer. It seems like it runs a lot smoother too than Internet Explorer. Let's see, what else do we have? Let's close out of this. So here we go. They have this thing down here now, Cortana, which is from, if you guys know, it's from Halo. You can actually ask it questions, and it kind of acts like Siri, like on iPhones. So say, "Hey Prime, listening." So, oh, it's actually recording what I'm saying, so it searched. But let's ask it a question. So, who was the ninth president? So it actually searches online through Bing, and it shows us the ninth president, which is pretty cool. That's basically how Siri works on the iPhones, and they pretty much brought it to Microsoft, which is a good tool. It'll be good to see how it works with applications like Microsoft Office, other applications, maybe QuickBooks and stuff like that. Maybe it can open up and edit folders and maybe edit some pages as well. That would be pretty cool. So at the bottom here, we have this task view too, which is pretty cool because you can have multiple desktops. This feature was also on a Mac, like you can have multiple desktops. So like, let me just give you an example. So let's say if I have desktop 2 and I open up Spartan, but I want to go back to desktop 1, which is empty. We can migrate back and forth between both of our desktops, which is a pretty good idea. I love that feature in Mac because you can have multiple windows. Like if I wanted my email open on one screen, and then on the other desktop I'll have like my browser open, so it works pretty much seamlessly, nice and smooth. So just to give you another example, here's control panel, and then let me go to my other desktop. I have my browser open, which is pretty good. Alright, let's go back to, so we know what Spartan is. That's the new Internet Explorer, and then you have your File Explorer right here. So for your desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, which is pretty cool. Here, I believe this is the store. So this is the beta store, just like the Windows 8 store. We can download applications. They're probably not going to have that much because this is just a test. Okay, so it came up. Let's see, what apps do they have. So yeah, so just like your basic apps, it looks like it's still using Windows 8 apps. So they really don't have any Windows 10 apps up yet. So, just fine. It's just a little preview of that. Over here, let's see what they have. They have, looks like OneDrive, Bluetooth, speakers, and a notification bar. So this is like a notifications probably for like emails, OneDrive, change the display, location. Oh, they actually have VPN in here, which is pretty cool. If you guys don't know VPN is pretty much for remote access to like maybe another location, maybe like your office or something like that. All settings. This is for the settings of the computer. Let's play around in this. So if we click on System, we can change the display, notification actions, app features, speech. They have maps. It's pretty cool. Windows Defender, tablet mode, which looks like it's a feature that we can touch the screen for, just like in Windows 8, how we can go in the tiles and stuff like that and use our fingers. So let's close out of that, go back into notifications, all settings. So we have devices, we can add devices in, network, internet. Let's click on that real quick. So we have VPN, dial-up, Ethernet. Ethernet, we can do our static IPs, stuff like that. Let's close out of that. Go back to notifications. So pretty much this notifications gives you all these quick links again, which is pretty cool. The tabs. So Windows 10 looks pretty much kind of like Windows 8, but a little bit better and smoother. I like the start menu. The start menu is pretty cool. The power, you still have your basic two features, restart and then shut down. So pretty much that's it, guys. That's a nice little preview of Windows 10. Comment below if you have any questions. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. You guys have a good one. Thank you.